Hey design dynamos and future brands titans. Your favorite designer here. Ready to pull back the curtain on something important. And it's your logo. Because let's be real. A bad logo in 2026 is like showing up to a tech conference wearing a floppy disk as a hat. Today we are diving deep into a modern logo trends in 2026. What's hot now? Everything you need to know to make your brand pop, sizzle and maybe do a little dance. Stick around because by the end you will know exactly what not to do and how to make sure your logo isn't the punchline of a design joke.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
First up, let's talk about abstract minimalism with depth. Remember when minimalism meant a blank white square? Now we are seeing that minimalist logos are clean, simple, but with a twist. Think subtle shadows, gradient that whisper instead of shout, and negative space that makes you go, how did they do that? It's like a magic trick, but with less bunny hat and more brand impact. This brand is all about being effortlessly sophisticated. It's not just about what's there, but what's implied. It perfects for brands that wants to seem smart, modern and little bit mysterious. Next, get ready for custom typography. Forget using Arial or Times New Roman for your cutting-edge tech startup. In 2026, your letters are putting on a show. We are talking about bespoke fonts, hand-drawn lettering, and crazy cool letter arrangement that become the logo itself. It's like your brand name decided to become a supermodel. This isn't just text, it's art. It's unique. It screams louder than my neighbor's alarm clock on a Monday morning. You know what I mean? Custom typography ensures logo is truly one of a kind. It's great for brands that want to convey personality, a sense of craft, or just break free from the generic. Moving on, a huge trend in 2026 is sustainability and eco-conscious design. Before you just slap a leaf on your logo and call it a day, hold on. We are talking genuine commitment reflected in design. Think earthy tones, organic shapes and a design language that communicates care for the planet. This isn't about greenwashing. That's when you pretend to be eco-friendly, but you are actually selling plastic straws disguised as bamboo. This trend is vital for connecting with a conscious audience. It shows you are not just selling a product or service, you are selling a value. And finally, get ready for the big one, motion and 3D with a subtle touch. Static logos are so last year. In 2026, logos are moving, breathing, and even winking at you. But here's the trick.
Thanks.
It's not about flashing lights and dizzying animations. It's about subtle movement, gentle morphs, and 3D elements that add more depth without feeling clunky. Imagine your logo gently unfolding or a subtle ripple effect. It's your brand. Just learned how to dance elegantly. This trend is amazing for digital platforms, apps, and anywhere you want to brand experience. It leaves a lasting impression and makes your brand feel alive. So why do these trends matter? Beyond just looking cool, because your logo is often first handshake your brand makes. In 2026, there is so much noise in online, so a fresh, relevant logo isn't just pretty. It's a strategic weapon. It builds trust, communicates your values instantly, and makes you memorable. And here is my secret sauce for you. While trends are awesome, remember that authenticity is the king. Don't just follow a trend because it's popular. Make sure it aligns with your brand's personality, because ultimately you want a logo that doesn't just good but feels right and makes people say, hey, that's Swakshik the channel. I trust his design insights. There you have it, the hottest logo trends in 2026 that will keep your brand looking fresh, modern and totally unforgettable. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Let me know in the comments which trends are you more excited to try, and if you want to stay ahead of design curve plus get more insider tips and on making money with your skills on Fiverr or anywhere online, subscribe to the Swakshik the channel right now and hit that notification bell. Don't miss out on the next big thing. And remember that design of world is always evolving. Come back for more insights. I'll always there for you. Until next time, keep designing, keep innovating and keep that brand shining.